Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anuj and today in the JavaScript tutorial I will show you what is Array.isArray method and what is Array.fill method. Both methods are very important. In this video, first of all I will show you what is isArray method and the syntax of isArray method, and after that I will show you what is Array.fill method. So now I will go to the HTML file, and here you can see I have taken one array and this variable name is ARR and the another variable not array, and here I have added one string value. Okay, so why we use isArray method? Suppose you want to check any variable which contains array or not, so that time we use isArray method. Now you are thinking, here we can see it clearly, this is array and this is not an array, so why we need to check? So because see, sometime the variable, it's a static variable, right? Here I have defined, but sometime we get data from database, so that time we don't know the data coming by array or coming as a string, we don't know that one, right? So that time we can check the data which we are getting from database, this is array or not, so we can check, and after that we can take any action accordingly. So here I will show you the syntax first of all. So the syntax is, you have to write array, this is the keyword, right? You have to write array, and after that method name and the array name, which variable, array name is variable name. Okay, which variable you want to check, its content array or content string value, so that variable name you have to write here. So now here I will write here first array, so I will copy from here, no issue, array, then dot, and after that you can see here method name, okay, is array, and after that parenthesis. Now inside this parenthesis array name, okay, for me array name is variable name, so for me first I want to check this one, this variable contains array or not, so this variable name. Okay, so here I can clearly see it is it contain array, so what will be the output, you can guess and you can write in the comment section. If your output is true, so you are right, because this contains array. So now for displaying purpose, what I will do, just I will print inside a console entire method. So here I will write console dot log parenthesis, and I will cut this method from here and I will paste here. Okay, hope it is clear. This is very simple thing. Now I will show you in the browser. So here you can say true, but suppose if I check this variable it not containing an array, so if I copy and if I check here, so it will give the output is false. See, it is false because this is not an array. Hope it is clear. This is very simple thing, but it is very useful because why? Sometimes we get the data from database that we don't know it contains array, I mean data coming via array or string, so we can check and we can write some condition. Suppose it coming as a string, but you wrote, because we know we have learned some array method. Here I'm trying to explain like why it is very useful. See, here we have learned some methods. In my previous video we have learned every method, array for each method, so both methods are applicable for array only, right? Now see, just assume the value coming from database which is not array, which is string, means like this way, and you by mistake you applied this for each method, every method, because you don't know this is array or not, and you consider it's an array and you applied those methods, so it will give you an error and your page, I mean your website will break, so it will be a big issue. So that's why first of all we can check if it is array, so that time we can use those methods, because those methods applicable for array, so we can check and we can use those methods. So for those purpose also this method is very useful, this isArray method. Okay, and now I will show you what is Array.fill method. Okay, so now here you can see I have added one array, the previous one, okay, which is contains some number value. Now you have to understand what Array.fill method does. So this array value is like 1 2 3 4 5, but if you want to change this value, means if you want to fill by another value to this array, that time we can use Array.fill method. Let's see the syntax and the purpose of use. So ARR dot fill. Okay, what is ARR? ARR means your array name. For me, array name is ARR. Now fill is the method name, and I want to fill with 0. Okay, so what it will get the output. Now here I will write here race in another variable. Okay, and I will console this race variable. Let's see the output. So now if I show you in the browser, let's see. So here you can see for me array value was 1 2 3 4 5, but now it changed and it fill by 0. So that is the use of array fill method. If I console this array only, okay, so what will be the output? 0, because it's already converted here. I mean it's already filled by 0. Okay, but this console, if I write here before using this array fill method, so what will be the output? You can guess and you can write in the comment section. If your output is 1 2 3 4 5, then you are right, because here when I console, so that time it's not converted, it's converted after console. Okay, so now let's see here 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so now another thing you have to understand. So I have added console here, array fill method. Okay, and fill method here you can write in the write inside a variable or not, it doesn't matter. Okay, so now here I filled with 0, but when I'm writing 0, so it fill each value with 0, but suppose I want to fill only those two values, so you can write the index. So you can write 0 means it will fill from 0 index. Okay, it will fill from here and it will fill up to like this. Okay, so I can write here 3. Okay, means how many values? 3 values, 1 to 3. So like this, from 0 to 3 values, from 0 index to 3 values. So here let's see the output. See 0 0 0, then 4 5, because here this will fill by 0, and from where it will fill? From 0 index, mean it will fill from here, and how many values? 3 values. So 1 1 2 3 values. Suppose you want to fill by one string hello, so what will be the output? You can guess and you can write in the comment section. If your output is hello hello hello, then 4 5, so you are right, because hello will fill from 0 index, means from here, and it will fill up to 3 values, 1 to 3. Okay, so now let's see the output, hello hello hello, then 4 5. I hope it is clear. If you find this video is helpful, so please like this video, also subscribe my channel to get more update in JavaScript.